Put in approximately 200 ml of coconut milk. Actually, I'm using coconut cream today, even more flavorful. The best is still to get the fresh ones, yeah?
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight Appa is going to make Malaysian style of curry chicken. It is usually more watery, if you ask me. Yeah, at least this is what my personal preference. More watery but still very fragrant with a lot of spices and also a very nice flavor of coconut milk in the end. So what we have here is I have approximately 500 grams of chicken parts cut into chunks. I'm using kampong chicken today and marinated with a little bit of fish sauce. You can marinate with some soya sauce or some salt, or some people marinate with some curry powder as well, up to you. Then we will need some, I always mix my own home curry powder. So first of all, you need some fresh ingredient, some sliced or minced shallot, minced garlic, minced ginger, and some fresh coriander roots. Yeah, the roots. And we have some curry leaves here. And here are the powders: 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So these three is a must. I added this one. This is actually the ready mixed curry powder for chicken, yeah, from Babas. And I have some potato here, cut into chunks. Of course, we have the coconut milk or coconut cream, and I'll be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to make chicken stock in order to and further enhance the flavor of your curry chicken. So prepare a wok. Give it some vegetable oil, easily for 3-4 tablespoons to start with. Later, all your curry powder will be soaked out by the oil. So once you have heated up the oil, you can saute the fresh herbs. You can put in a little bit of curry leaf right now if you like. Saute this for approximately a minute before we continue to really get the nice flavor out. Right, next thing is to reduce the fryer and put in the mixed powder. Use medium low fire to slowly saute the curry. If not, the powder can get burnt extremely easy. And it is perfectly fine to have more oil now. Like you see right here, is a little bit dry. So feel free to add in oil. And now we can slowly raise the heat to medium. So curry powder can get burnt very, very easily. So if you're not sure, use medium-low heat. And saute it for approximately minimum 3 to 5 minutes before we continue. And usually I don't mind to add in a little bit of salt to pre-flavor. Yeah, about 1 teaspoon of salt here to pre-flavor the curry powder, the curry paste. Keep on sauteing, if not it can get burnt. And don't use too high heat. So sometimes I will also add in some chopped yellow onion or tomato. Today I did not. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen. So this is after approximately 3-4 minutes. I'm going to add in the chicken together with the potato chunks. We are going to raise the heat to medium or medium high. Let me double check the angle. Wow. Immediately it looks very appetizing already. Right, next thing, we are going to add in some hot water to make sure all of the ingredient here is submerged under the water or the broth. And now I'm going to turn this broth into chicken stock, which is just by adding in my cooking apa chicken stock powder, which is approximately 1 teaspoon. You can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore for those who are interested. Immediately, the water I added just now becomes a chicken stock. So you can imagine using a chicken stock to cook curry chicken. It is definitely going to taste really good, and you want to really flood the rice with all your curry, the curry sauce, the remaining curry leaves. Now we are going to further season this. Going to add in a little bit more salt here and some sugar. And let's bring this to a boil. So once it is boiling, I'm going to close the lid, tune down to medium-low, and let it cook for minimum 20 to 30 minutes. The chicken will take only about 10 minutes to get cooked, fully cooked, but the potato I'm using, I know it's going to take about approximately 20 minutes. So once the potato is cooked, then the curry chicken is done. Right, this is after approximately slightly over 20 minutes. Alright, okay, I know everything is now fully cooked through. Now all we need to do, just going to off the fire, put in approximately 200 ml of coconut milk. Actually, I'm using coconut cream today, even more flavorful. The best is still to get the fresh ones, yeah? Give it a few stir. Wow, immediately it changed to coconutty flavor, the milky, coconut milky flavor. Wow. And now, right before serving, you just want to taste it. Mmm, beautiful. I can taste the coconut milk, sourish, and all the spices. I will just give it a little bit of my fish sauce. And it is done. Right, so here's about very simple Malaysian curry chicken. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.